offended by that. I don't know why.
It's such a good video.
Anyways, we're for Israel, not Palestine.
No, why are you saying that?
Oh. What do you mean we're not for Israel?
We're for people.
Okay, we're for all people, but
For
Israel
all
all the way.
Make lots of seeds, and the seeds will be in you. We need to make more juice, and I got mine from Israel.
With a bomb specialist over there, he's from the Middle East. He used to detect bombs in his sleep when he was in the military. He'd be in Lebanon, he'd be like, bomb, 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 and he'd deactivate them.
Whoa.
That's
Now
what he did. But don't, because he's an actual Middle Easterner. My fiance is. He's ready. He's locked and loaded. Don't do it.